Do you know about Google Knowledge Graph? Google Knowledge Graph is a collection of information in the short format using Wikipedia. For example, you can see here, just I am going to type the scientist name Albert Einstein. Here you can see the information about Albert Einstein. So this is the Google Knowledge Graph. So here the Google Knowledge Graph will be shown for scientists or any company, for example Netflix. I am typing. So for Netflix company also you will get the Google Knowledge Graph. You will get the Google Knowledge Graph for the most important topics. For example, Beast movie. Here you can also get the knowledge graph for Beast movies also. How will you get this knowledge graph? The knowledge graph will be shown here based on Wikipedia's content. You can able to create a knowledge graph using Wikipedia. So the current trending news or information which is available in Wikipedia will be displayed as knowledge graph in Google SERP layout.